Hello chef. Today I'm going to show you how to easily lock and unlock the child lock on this Electrolux EHF6240xxk built-in glass ceramic hot plate hob. This is how I saved my grandmother's dinner. She had accidentally locked the surface and could no longer turn on the stove to cook herself a meal. Therefore today I show how to do deactivate process. To turn on child lock for the hob, you have to turn it on with the power on button. Then press the minus buttons of both front heating zones at the same time. Hold both buttons for about 4 seconds until the letter L appears on all the heating zones, which means that all the zones are locked and child lock is turned on. As you can see, you cannot use the surface, because the child lock is on. To remove key lock, the surface must be turned on again. Then press and hold both minus buttons of the front heating zones at the same time until the letter L disappears. Now the oven child lock is deactivate and hob can be used again. Hope I helped you with your meal. I would be glad if you hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can meet in other useful videos. But for now, good luck my friend.